tons of fire extinguishers in here. Dude, look at how old these are. Like wagon wheels on them. I should have brought a flashlight.
Your cell phone has a flashlight, doesn't it?
I tried it, it wasn't bright enough. Look at all this stuff. Maintenance. Where's that crawl space? Oh my god, is that a analyzer? What? Big propane tank. Cat book. Wicks filters. This was the maintenance bay. Pallet jack.
Big ass wrench.
That's awesome. A big ass wrench. There's two of them. There's another one over there. Look at that. So there's the big ass wrench here, and there's another big ass wrench right there. Yeah. I love that the fans. I want to get a picture of one of those fans. Music to this or something. We'll find it. Look at this. The electrical all's been ripped apart. Dude, look at the size of those fuses. Look at that. Let's go look through the window. Look at this. Oh, gross. Look at the ceilings all falling down. Like an electrical room. It's all been overtaken and overgrown. Don't move, Star. I'm gonna come back down and over the top of you. Here, let's go walk in one of these doors. Over here. See, there's somebody's bag. That's a newer bag. Look at all this. Oh yeah. They got all these arrows pointed up there too. I wonder what that's for. But there's that light that's hanging down. All these arrows on the roof for demolishing it or something. Look at this room, dude. Dude, this is an office. Oh, you getting some, Star? Here's some more big fuses. That's all crushed. I know, right? Look at this wall's all crushed. But let's go through this door right here. There used to be a sign hanging right there. Look at that, there was a sign there saying what this door is for. And this looks like an office building. Oh yeah, there's their little kitchenette and their bathroom. There's a desk still here. Dude, check it out. Dude, there's parts here. Electrical components. Oh, this is the shipping office that we took the pictures of from the outside. The other dude's sitting in the other building over there. Right, here's an abandoned desk. There's a printer for shipping labels. Yeah, this is like a little shipping office. Look at all the lights have been disassembled. Look at those lights are falling down. Wires coming out of the ceiling. Those look like extra computer monitors. Stuff on the floor we're having to step over. The ceiling. There's pipes coming down there. A bunch of old computers. What's over here? Storage cabinet. Oh my god, there's still a clipboard on there. Still a clipboard hanging up. The cabinet's all empty. What's in there, Star? Anything? That looks like an old water cooler right there. He's watching TV or something. You hear it? Here's your bathroom. This looks like a little kitchenette used to be here for lunchtime. Oh, this must be the manager's office, little office here. Wow. Check it out. Does this door work? It does. Lissy! Oh. There's the door we just came out. Way cool. Here, I'm gonna go this way so that you're not in it. Inspection department. Big hole in the wall. Oh, it's super dark in here. There's a chair in here. This is just... I don't know, this was some room for something. There used to be a window there that they covered up. Replacement parts. We just came out of here, and we're gonna go this way. Hey, remember still, you have to say thank you to James at some point. Don't be too shy, okay? Even when you got out of the car, he came with me, but she's really shy. I'm like, yeah. She is really shy. Oh, look, they're way over there. Locker room? What? Machinist 751. That is hilarious. It goes way back there. Oh, dude. I am totally, let's check this out. Locker room. Let's go. Oh, men's locker room. Check it out. Paper towel dispensers, sinks. There's your stalls to go poop. There's your urinal over there. Wow. This is how you get into it from the office to the bathroom. Please stay clean. What's back here? A couple more stalls, it looks like. Okay, stop. And then it's going this way. All the roof lights are coming down. Got some caution tape over there. That's freaking cool snot. And we'll come back out. Alright guys, after I took these photos, security found us and walked us to our car. So hopefully you enjoyed my little exploration here of this abandoned mill. And I will see you in the next video. Go ahead and check out some of the others on the channel. Thanks a lot. See you next time.